my name's Savannah. I am an employee at the Ruck shop, also known as Low Cooler, and this is my 2004 Metropolitan. I have shaved blinker tabs and powder-coated black handlebars. I have TRS CNC brake levers and Vans grips. My switches have also been gloss black to match the handlebars, and they were disassembled. I also have on the left side a CRG handlebar mirror. My front headlight is a TRS LED headlight bulb, and I also have a custom headlight cover by my guy Felix. For my basket, it's a Honda OEM. I also have OEM plastics, cream and brown edition. When I got this bike, it was rainbow and had a bunch of zip ties holding everything together. So we took all of that off and got brand new plastics. My front blinkers were relocated to the front fender with Grom flushlight mounts. My front tire is a 90-90-10. My engine is a 49cc Get motor. I do 63 miles per hour. Yes, 63 miles per hour. I am only 110 pounds, so I screwed on here. To get that speed, I have the TRS Stage 2 kit that comes with the Pliny variator, the Yoshimura exhaust, the 5.5 roller weights, and a CDI. To dress my motor up, I have the TRS dipstick and the TRS radiator cover. I also have a Ruckus swing arm. I also have the TRS CVT cover. For the rear shock, I have a Japan only Takako shock. It's no longer made though. Back to the front a little bit, the seat is an OEM seat with a custom cover. The rear wheel is an NCY rear black wheel, and the back tire is a 120/90-10 Michelin bopper. To hold the license plate, I have an auto factory license plate holder. I'm also running on the left side a CVT kickstand with a custom checkerboard band boot. For the electrical aspect of my bike, I have an all-in-one taillight with an LED flash and relay. And I think that concludes my 2004 Honda Metropolitan build. If you want the smoke and you have a 49cc, holler at me at Low Cooler. Oh yeah, all the product is listed below. Inside the transmission, I have the NCY gears as well as the Metropolitan transmission. No, what?
Bloopers.
Inside the transmission, I have Metropolitan gears, and inside the transmission, I have NCY. No. Inside the transmission, I have NCY gears and Metropolitan. No, it's not.
No,
it's Metropolitan gears.
NCY drive phase.
Inside the transmission, I have NCY gears and Metropolitan drive
Get out
phase.
with NCY gears.
Dude, I can't say it.
It's a Metropolitan gears. It's Metropolitan gears. Metropolitan gears. Say Metropolitan gears.
Metropolitan gears.
3 times.